Hello guys, so today me and Trey are going to go through our bedroom to see what we can get rid of and what we can put in our storage, since we did that yesterday downstairs, but we didn't film it. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do the upstairs today, and it's very messy in here. So we have my side of the bed that ended up getting tons of shit, my nightstand, my dresser, and then a bed, and the kennel, and then over there. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so we cleaned up the closet, so it looks a lot better. My Depop stuff is all up there now. And then this is what our bedroom looks like. It's a little shit show. This is stuff we're getting rid of. And Joseph's right there. And then we organized that. We took down the kennel and put it up there because 2 of our cats like to eat string. And then a lot of this stuff needs to go downstairs like that and that. And then that's gonna go to storage. Those boxes over there need to go into storage, but that needs, the purple tote thing needs to go into a box, and then the purple tote will go back over there. That needs to go to storage. And then that's the tie-dye stuff. And then that's stuff I need to post on Depop. And then that is recycle. So yeah, that's the progress so far. Okay, so we got everything from off the grounds and on the bed down the stairs. We'll finish everything, but I won't show that because that's probably boring. So this is what our bedroom finally looks like, all nice and clean. The only thing we have left to do is vacuum. I'm not gonna worry about making the bed because we're going to bed soon, so that's it. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed watching that video of us cleaning our bedroom, and I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Bye guys.